Welcome to MStat Online. Today we are going to see the continuation of the previous part. Here the problem is an elastic membrane in the x1 x2 plane with the boundary circled x1 squared plus x2 squared equal to 1 is stretched so that a point P of x1, x2 goes over into the point Q of x1, x2 given by y is equal to a of a and x, where y1 equal to 5x1 plus 3x2, y2 equal to 3x1 plus 5x2. Find the principal direction, that is the direction of the position vector x of P, for which the direction of the position vector y in Q, the same or exactly opposite. What shape does the boundary circle take under this deformation? For the previous problem, directly the matrix A given, but here two equations given. So from these two equations we form the matrix. After that we can use the previous steps. We are looking for the vector x such that y is equal to lambda x. Since y is equal to ax given, so ax equal to lambda x. Equation 5x1 plus 3x2 equal to y1. 3x1 plus 5x2 equal to y2. From this one we can write 5x1 plus 3x2, y1 is equal to lambda 1x. 3x1 plus 5x2 equal to lambda 2x. Because y1 is equal to lambda x. So we can form 5, 3, 3, 5 into x1, x2 equal to lambda into x1, x2. So the form is ax equal to lambda x. Then lambda is the eigenvalue, x is the eigenvector. So x minus lambda x equal to 0, a minus lambda I into x equal to 0. So singular matrix a minus determinant of a minus lambda I equal to 0. So determinant of 5 minus lambda 3, 3, 5 minus lambda equal to 0. It is a square 2 cross 2 matrix. So use this form, lambda squared minus lambda into sum of the diagonal of a plus determinant of a equal to 0. So lambda squared minus lambda into sum 5 plus 5, 10, determinant 25 minus 9, 16, that is equal to 0. So we can write lambda squared minus 10 lambda plus 16 equal to 0. So we can factorize, multiplication is 16, addition is minus 10. So we can write lambda minus 8 into lambda minus 2 equal to 0. So lambda 1 equal to 8, lambda 2 equal to 2. So these are the two eigenvalues of the corresponding matrix A. Now we are going to find the eigenvector corresponding lambda values. So first lambda 1 is equal to 8. Here substitute lambda equal to 8. So 5 minus 8, 3. 3, 5 minus 8, x1, x2 equal to 0. So 5 minus 8 is minus 3. 3, 3 minus 3, x1, x2 equal to 0. So these two equations are same. So solution x2 equal to x1 is arbitrary. For instance, x1 is equal to 1, x2 equal to 1. So 1 comma 1 is the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda 1 equal to 8. Now we need to find the theta. So theta equal to tan inverse of x2 by x1. So here x2 is 1, x1 is 1. So tan inverse of 1 angle theta is 45 degree. Now we have to find out the second eigenvalue. Use this to find the eigenvectors. Lambda equal to 2. So 3, 3, 3, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. So x1, x2, we get the same equations. So in this case, x2 equal to minus x1. So 1 minus 1 is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda 2 equal to 2 or lambda equal to 2. Lambda 2 equal to 2. So tan inverse x2 by x1. Here tan inverse minus 1. So this one is 180 minus tan inverse 1. So 180 minus 45 degree, 135 degree. So these vectors make 45 degree and 135 degree angle with a positive x1 direction. They give the principal directions. The eigenvalue shows that the principal direction, the membran is stretched by lambda 1 equal to 8 and lambda 2 equal to 2. Accordingly, we choose the principal direction as direction of a new Cartesian u1 u2 coordinate system with the positive u1 semi-axis in the first quadrant and the positive u2 semi-axis in the second quadrant of x1 x2 system. And if we get u1 equal to r cos theta, u2 equal to r sin theta, then the boundary point of unstretched circular membran has coordinate cos theta sin theta. Hence, after the stretch we have z1 equal to 8 cos theta, z2 equal to 2 sin theta. So z1 by 8 cos theta, z2 by 2 sin theta, and squaring and adding cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So z1 squared by 8 squared plus z2 squared by 2 squared equal to 1. This shows that the deformed boundary is an ellipse with semi-major axis 8 and minor axis 2. Means with principal semi-axis 8 and 2 in the principal direction. The graphical point of view is a unit circle. Here semi major axis 8 and minor axis 2. So here we can write these are the principal directions. The first quadrant. Similarly, 135 angle is also principal direction. The second quadrant. So this angle is 45 degree. This one is 135 degree. So here how to stretch in this plane. Here two major axis, semi major axis 8, so semi major axis 8 and minor axis 2. Similarly, same here in second quadrant, semi major axis 8 and 2. So this is a geometrical representation of the stretching of an elastic membrane.